What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my personal stylist haul from Nadine West. I had never heard of Nadine West before, but as you guys know, I've been on this personal stylist haul kick where I've tried out various different services, just seeing what it was like to order from them and what types of things that you get from them and what the cost is of the items that you get. Now, some of them were a fail, but some of them were a success. So it's been a really fun thing for me. And as I was leafing through the comments in one of my YouTube videos, I saw that I got a comment from another YouTuber. And of course, it prompted me to go check out their page. So when I jumped over to their page, I saw several different videos on Nadine West. And of course, it piqued my curiosity to see what it was. And of course, I figured out it was a styling service. So I thought to myself, why don't I give this one a try too? Because the clothes that they got in their video were very cute and affordable. So it really interested me to check this out. So that YouTuber is Justgottaknows, and I did reach out to them personally and let them know that I was going to do a video on Nadine West that was inspired by the videos that they had done. They seem to be super, super cool. We're talking about doing a possible collab together, but you know, it's just really hard. I haven't talked to them probably in about a month or so, but I do still follow their YouTube page and their Instagram page and whatever other social media that they have. And hopefully at some point in the future, we can get a collab together, because I think it is great for us small YouTubers who kind of do the same thing to collab together, to support each other and just get our advice and words of wisdom out there. So if you guys are watching, hey, how you doing? And hopefully we can get that collab together at some point in the future. So now that I've got all of that out of the way, I'm going to jump into a brief description on what it's like to order from Nadine West, how it all works and all that, because it's a little different from the other ones that I have covered before. So I want to make sure I cover how the process works, and then we're going to jump into the hopefully awesome things that they sent to me. So without further ado, let's jump into the description of Nadine West. Okay guys, I first want to give you a basic rundown of how this process works. You're going to jump onto their website, take their style quiz, decide how often you would like to receive a package. Once you get your package, you're going to want to try everything on, check it out, see how it looks, decide what you want to keep, and return anything that you don't want to keep. Now when you jump onto their webpage, the main page looks like this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is select Get Started. Once you hit that button, it's going to pop you into their style quiz. Now, once you're in their style quiz, you're going to want to select the best picture that displays your style. So as you can see, I've selected classic here, but you can select as many as you want. After I selected classic, I also ended up selecting trendy to give myself some more options when they send my packages. The next part is jewelry. Obviously, you want to do the same thing. Select what picture reflects your style the best. You can select as many pictures as you want. And then you also want to select if you want to receive earrings, bracelets, necklaces, or all of them. As you can see, I've selected to receive all of them, and then I like the trendy style. The next part of the quiz is your size. Please be honest here, guys, because if you try to make yourself smaller than you are, they're going to send you things that aren't going to fit. Next, you want to select the areas that you want to conceal. Obviously, I've selected my tummy and my back. I'm very self-conscious about those parts. And then you want to select the type of metal for your jewelry, which I have decided on silver. Okay, then it moves into what kind of prints that you like. You can select all or one or two or whatever. Just give them an idea of what your style is, and also make sure to specify what types of colors you will not wear. Then it's going to jump into your budget. As you can see, I've selected less than $25 for both the jewelry and the clothes, because I'm as cheap as they come. I don't want to spend more than I have to. Then I want to jump into some brief information on their facts and questions page, like what is Nadine West? Well, they are a super fun and fashionable service providing customers with personalized stylish items free of charge. How many items will you get in your outfit? Each pink package usually includes 4 to 6 items. Typical combos include a couple of tops, a bottom, a dress, and a couple of pieces of jewelry. What sizes do they carry? They carry anywhere from a small to a size 3X. How does the shipping work? Well, they'll debit your account for $9.78 and apply the credit to anything you purchase so that the shipping is free. In other words, if you decide not to keep anything, you will still be charged that $9.78 shipping fee. So it's very similar to the other stylist services. The only difference here is that they're calling it a shipping fee and not a stylist fee. What are the prices of the items? The items can range anywhere from less than $10 to around $30. So that's actually not bad. Okay, now let's jump into shipments and returns. Packages are mailed to subscribers within 3 weeks of initial sign-up. Subsequent packages are mailed on a cycle averaging 30 to 40 days thereafter for the monthly option and 14 to 20 days thereafter for the bi-monthly option. The Nadine West stylist will choose items from their available inventory based on your style profile and history of purchases. Subscribers are then able to try the items on from the comfort of their home and see what they like, what they don't like, and send back anything they don't want. Each pink package allows a 10-day window for return of items you do not wish to purchase. The 10-day window starts from the day the package leaves their warehouse and is clearly noted on the packing slip with a return by date. To return items, use the same package they arrived in and use the prepaid return postage sticker provided. They will assume you have chosen to keep any products which are not in the returned package. Each package comes with a prepaid return label through USPS. They will assume you have chosen to keep all the items in the package if the return label is not used by the return by date. They rely on USPS tracking tools to determine the status of the return. Exceptions for late returns are permitted upon timely notification by you and are done at the sole discretion of Nadine West. So if there's any issues, please let them know right away. Another thing I feel is important to make you aware of is that they include a small slip that has all of the items that they sent to you listed as well as how much each item cost. You need to include that slip with your return. Now, all the other stylist services I have done do not require you to include the slip, but this one does. And it is very small print on that slip, so I wanted to make sure I let you guys know to make sure to include this slip with your return. Now let's jump into the hopefully fabulous items they sent to me. Okay, guys, here's my first 2 pieces. And, yeah. So this is a mess. I know for a fact that I put in my style quiz, I wanted bright, bold colors. I was very fashion forward and I was extremely dressy person. And they sent me stretch pants. Yeah. So this is a big miss for me. So clearly I don't want to keep either one of these pieces. The shirt was like $26.99 and the pants, just regular black stretch pants. They do have a band at the top here, guys, which is, I mean, okay, whatever. Yeah, I would never wear a short shirt enough for you to be able to see that because I also put in my stylist quiz that I wanted to hide my stomach. And nothing about these pants, if I didn't have this baggy shirt on, would hide my stomach. And they're supposed to send things to you like in outfits. And I guess this is supposed to be an outfit. But I don't like how this would cover up that band. But I also don't like that they're so tight. So I wouldn't expose the band anyways. But I'm just saying if I wore this, I would want to expose that band because it's really cute. So yeah, the shirt has like a slit here and it's like a high-low situation. So here's the back, nothing exciting. Yeah, this just really is so not my style. And the shirt has like a cuff on it. And I mean, the stripes aren't bad and all that, but yeah, just the pants are fitting me like a glove, but they're not $24.99 worthy. I just, no. So these first 2 pieces are a big miss for me. So hopefully the rest of what they sent me will be a little bit more exciting and more my style. Let's check it out. Okay, guys. I mean, what about this dress would hide the parts of my body that I'm uncomfortable with? I put in my stylist quiz that I was very uncomfortable with and wanted to hide this part of my body. And there is nothing about a dress like this that will hide anything. In order for me to even try this on for you guys and feel sort of comfortable wearing it, I had to put a body shaper on. And as you can see, it's really not doing that great for me because this just isn't, I don't look good in things like this anymore. I just don't feel comfortable in them. I don't feel like I look good in them. And I can't believe they sent me this when I definitely put in my stylist quiz that I wanted to hide parts of my body. And this hides nothing. Nothing. Okay. So here's the front. And here's the back. And we're going to move on because this is awful. So let's do that now. Okay, guys, before I move on to the last two items that they sent to me, I also wanted to point out a few more things on this dress because I was so uncomfortable in the last clip with me wearing the dress, and I'm still uncomfortable and I'm the only one in the room, just saying. But anyways, this is a tight-fitted t-shirt dress, and the price for this is $29.99 if I was to keep it. Now, I do not see any store where this dress should be $29.99. I mean, $14.99 at most, and that's me being generous. Just saying. The quality of the material is not that great, so it's definitely not worth $29.99. So even if I did like it, which everyone is clear I do not, it would go back for the price alone. Just saying. Now we're going to move on to the last two pieces that they sent to me, and those two pieces are jewelry pieces, as I described in the describing how the service works, that they may send you jewelry or outfits, and they sent me two items that were jewelry, and the first item they sent to me is this pair of earrings. And I don't see anything special about them. I mean, they're $14.99. I don't think they're worth $14.99. In all honesty, let me get a little closer to them. I would pay like $1 at Gabe's for these, baby. And honestly, I wouldn't even pick them out for myself. So they're just not something that I would ever keep. And I definitely do not feel that they are worth $14.99. So that's why I didn't try them on for you guys, because I was 100% certain I was not going to keep them. So there's those. And now we're going to move on to the second item they sent to me, which is a necklace. So here's the necklace that they sent to me. And the necklace itself is fine. I mean, it's not like I'm not jumping out of my seat. I did say I like statement necklaces, and well, this isn't that. So this is obviously a big miss for me. If it was more affordable, I may have considered keeping it, but it's $29.99. And to me, it's not worth that. I mean, it's not $1 worth, but maybe $2. No, honestly, I would not pay that much for this. $29.99 is just outrageous. So obviously I didn't want to try this on because I want to return it in its original condition here, because I knew that I wasn't going to keep it. So with all of that, clearly I'm extremely disappointed with this haul. And what's even more disappointing is that it took forever to get here. They sent this to me on May 15th, and it got lost in our postal system. How that happens, I'm not sure. But at any rate, it got lost. Finally made its way to me on Wednesday of last week. So I wanted to hurry up and get the review done, because I knew that I was sending all the items back and I don't want to miss the return date. But the good news about that whole situation that I had with the post office is that the company did work with me very well on changing my return dates and things like that, because my package seemed to be lost. So it was really good as far as the communication goes and the customer service part of it. I don't like the fact that you can't talk and speak with a person. Everything is through email if you have any issues with any of your shipments. Wasn't really a huge fan of that, but they were very responsive. I mean, I sent them several emails because I was just really sweating this, because I didn't want to be charged for items that I may not want to keep. I did not know what was in my box, because you don't get to pick anything. But I'm just saying, I was nervous that what if I don't like the stuff they send to me and I can't send it back and they've charged me for them. So that was a huge concern for me. They definitely laid that all to rest and corrected the return dates and all that kind of stuff. So they're really great about that. But this was an extremely disappointing haul, because I feel like they just completely disregarded everything that I put in my stylist quiz. So it makes me feel like, why did I take the stylist quiz if you're not going to pay attention to anything that I want? I mean, as a personal stylist, you're supposed to focus on what makes the person feel comfortable and confident. And they didn't send me anything that was along the lines of the style that I told them. So here's my thoughts in conclusion of all of that stuff. I will go ahead and receive another shipment from them just to see if they can get it right the next time, because I'm going to give my honest feedback on what they sent to me, so that hopefully maybe the next time they can get it right. I like to give these stylist services a couple of tries before I just completely say, okay, this isn't working. Because with Stitch Fix, they didn't really get it right on my style the first time, but they nailed my size, and how everything fit me was great. So I gave them another shot and they nailed it after that. So I gave my honest feedback on all of the items that they sent to me, what I didn't like about them, and what I did like so that they could get it right for the next time. And they did. So if this is a true styling service business that they're in, I'm going to do that. And I will do another video with my next haul from them. And if they don't get it right, if they completely disregard everything that I said, then I'll go ahead and cancel the service, because clearly it's just not one that's going to work out for me. Now, maybe it works out for some people, but for me, this was a huge miss. So I will give it one more shot and we'll see if they can get it right. I mean, that's the best that I can do. So at any rate, I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, I don't remember. Oh my gosh, what video is this? Okay. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Nadine West personal stylist haul. Yes. Let's do it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Was that off? Like, I feel like it was off. So we're gonna, do it again. When I was leafing through my comments on one of my videos, I came across another YouTuber that had commented on my videos and commented. I saw that another YouTuber had left a comment on my channel, and I was like, on my channel, on my video. We had talked about maybe doing a possible collab together, so that should be really fun too. But at any rate, I was just thinking to myself, why don't you just go ahead and shoot this again, because you're way off track. Until I was going through my YouTube comments and I noticed a comment that someone had left on one of my videos. Why can't I talk? Do it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Check your head. Check your head. Until when I was leafing through all of the comments on one of my videos, I came across another YouTuber that had left a comment, and but nonetheless, I would love to collab with them, because I think it is important for us small time YouTubers who do kind of sort of the same thing to do what? Now, I had never heard of Nadine West before. I didn't even know they existed until I was leafing I had never heard of Nadine West before, and as you guys know, I had never heard of Nadine West before. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I forgot what I was talking about. Yeah, this is just not my style at all. And it's kind of disappointing, because I definitely put in my stylist quiz that I liked very bold, stuff. Yeah. Are stretch pants dressy? I'm just saying. This is a big miss for me. A huge miss for me. Okay? Like, really big. I'm not really sure how much the items cost. You know what? I need to look at that. Just saying. So the shirt is a medium, and the shirt was, how much is the shirt? $26.99, and the bottom is $24. Okay. All right, do it again. Yeah, turn it off and do it again. Okay, guys, before I move on, I'm showing them. What? Am I standing like in a bad spot or something? Because I feel like, no. The lighting isn't working very well in my favor. Okay, guys, so let's move on to the last two items that they sent to me, and those are jewelry items. They can send you jewelry or, outfits or whatever, as I explained when I described how the service works. And the last two items they sent me were jewelry, and the first one is this pair of earrings. Okay.